My SouFLoTV audience, welcome back to SouFLoTV again. Listener, this one right here, I need you to share this as much as possible, okay? So other people can see it and share it as well. This is somebody's mom, and I just got finished speaking to her son personally, and he is very, very concerned about the whereabouts of his mother. He has said to me that it is not normal for her to go out of touch and not be in touch with them for days at a time, let alone weeks. And it's been weeks since he has not seen his mom. She is in Florida, USA, and he is in Jamaica. Not seen, I mean not spoken to. No FaceTime, no contacts, no anything. He's currently in Jamaica at the moment, but he is concerned about his mother because he is looking for her and he cannot get in touch with her. Can you imagine calling your mom and suddenly she does not answer her phone, and you're in another state or you're in another country for that matter, and you don't know what's going on with her? Not days, not weeks, not days, but weeks, multiple weeks. So her name is Carleen Hines. Her date of birth is April 18th, 1970. He described her as being 5 feet 4 inches tall. She is of light brown complexion, and she has dreadlocks for her hair. Her Facebook name is Carleen Hines, her regular normal name. I asked him, I said, where specifically in Florida was your mom living or staying? He has not replied to me yet. This was after we hung up the phone. I'm still waiting for that information, and as I get that information, I will put that information with this video. We know, though, that it was in the state of Florida. This worries me a bit because he said the last time he spoke to her was August 15th of 2020 here. We are in September 12th. Few more days will be September 15th. We'll make it a whole month since his mom and him had not gotten in contact with each other. He has lost contact of his mother that he used to talk to all the time on a regular basis. So you can see why he would be worried. This is urgent, and I just spoke to him and I felt like I needed to get this up now, because when family members go missing, time is of the essence, okay? Read the information I have put along with this video, please. And if you see her anywhere out there, especially my Florida family, people living outside of Jamaica, period. She could be anywhere at the moment. Or maybe she is right there in Florida. We don't know. But we just need to get in touch with her so she can get in touch with her child, so he can know that his mommy is okay. You understand? Yesterday was my birthday, by the way, and my mom took the time to text me hourly, walking me through the day I was born. So my first message for the morning was, okay, about this time now, contractions are starting to get stronger, and daddy, which is my my dad, which is my dad and her, and she's telling me who is there, and okay, another hour she says, okay, now we're calling so-and-so to bring the car up so we can get in the car and get out to the hospital. Couple of hours later now she says, no, the contractions are really strong, and she walked me through the entire process up to when I was born, and she did it by the hours up to the precise time I was born. We get one mother, people. That's what I'm trying to say to you, okay? And I am fortunate enough to have mine still here, still healthy, still functioning, still here, and still here for me, and still loving me unconditionally. So I know what it feels like to have a mother. To the people who have lost a mother, you know what that feels like as well. So you can imagine what this brother must be going through, frantically trying to find his mom. He reached out. He said, SouFLo, please, can you help me put this up? See if we can locate my mom. I haven't heard from her in 3 weeks, over 3 weeks now. And he's very, very worried. So please, if you see her, be on the lookout for her. If you're anywhere in the state of Florida, I know that Florida is extremely big, because when I'm driving from Florida 2 other states, depending on where I start, it take me up to 4 hours of driving on I-95 going north just to get out of the state of Florida and cross over into Georgia. So Florida is a huge state. So when somebody says to me that she is from Florida or she is in Florida, it doesn't really help much. Narrows it down from 50 states to 1 state, yes. But this 1 state is huge. You could fit a couple of Jamaicas into this 1 state called Florida alone. So I'm hoping he will contact me and say exactly where. If it's, I don't want to mention any name to get anybody confused. He has not said where in Florida. We just know that it's the state of Florida. Here's some more information. He said that the last time he spoke to her, which was the date, the last time he spoke to her again, I will reiterate, was August 15th, and he said she was riding on a public bus. His mommy was riding on a public bus when they were talking. Them talk fine. They hung up the phone, ended the conversation. Never heard from her again. You understand? So you see the urgency here. I'm going to repeat her information one more time. People, please. I know I ask a lot of you every day. I said, please watch my commercials. You don't watch them. I said, please give the video a thumbs up. You don't give it no thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. You don't share all that. This one time, I am asking you to actually share the video. This is bigger than me and you, okay? And if we can use this platform to actually locate her, then that would be a great thing. We did it as a family. We have to take care of our family, people, because regardless of what and how we feel about each other and anywhere we go, they will always identify us as Jamaicans. So the Jamaican community in the diaspora or abroad or wherever across the world, time to band together. If you see this video, be on the lookout for this sister. If you see her and she look familiar, holler out Carleen Hines, because that is her name. All right. Date of birth, April 18th, 1970. And she's about 5 feet 4 inches tall. She's of slim build. She has locks for hair. And her Facebook name is Carleen Hines. I'm going to talk up. Walk good, my people. All right. One love. Peace.